Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Umami Onigiri. Umami Onigiri literally translates yummy and salty onigiri rice balls. So it's onigiri full of umami. In case you don't know what umami is one of 5 basic flavors: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Umami itself doesn't have any specific flavor like the other 4. It's not sweet, it's not bitter, it tastes nothing. But it just balances the other 4 flavors and gives depth or layer to the dishes. So it's often translated rich flavor or savory. And if I translate umami into English literally, it means yumminess. Umami is created by 3 types of acid: glutamic acid, guanylic acid, and inosinic acid. Each of these acids is tasty enough by itself, but if you put 2 of them together or 3 of them together, you can boost up umami more than 5 times, not just double. And 2 of the ingredients I'm using today for onigiri contain these acids, all of them. So the 2 ingredients make the onigiri umami bomb. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this umami onigiri. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need: 2 cups of Japanese rice, Korean seasoned nori seaweed, katsuobushi fish flakes, sesame seeds, sesame oil, salt, and green onion. It's just random amount of everything. I'm going to prepare the rice first, so let's rinse it. Put some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat this 3 or 4 times. The water doesn't have to be perfectly clear. Let's put the rice in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so I'm adding 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Cover with the lid and leave it for half an hour. This will give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. It's been soaked for half an hour, so let's start to cook. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low as you can go and let it cook for 12 minutes. Cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off and let it steam for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking. In the meantime, let's fry some green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half. Put them together. Cut them into half. Put them together. And let's just make thin slices. It's been steamed for 10 minutes, so let's fluff it. Add sesame oil, sesame seeds, some salt to your taste, sliced green onion, and the 2 ingredients for the umami: katsuobushi fish flakes, and Korean seasoned nori seaweed. As you rub it, to make it into small pieces, and mix it well. Okay, it's time to make it into onigiri. Prepare a bowl of water to wet your hands, some salt, and a small bowl to standardize the size of onigiri. Wet the mold, not too soggy. Put the rice. Wet your hands, completely wet, but again, not too soggy. Put some salt, about this much, and rub it all over your hands. Take the rice out and try to make it into the signature triangle shape. Let me show you one more time. Wet the mold, put the rice, wet your hands, put some salt, take the rice out into triangle shape. And just keep going to finish up the rice. I made 8 using 2 cups of rice, and Umami Onigiri is ready to go. Time for the tasting. You can have onigiri using your fingers. Itadakimasu. Umami created by the 2 ingredients explodes in your mouth. This is really a umami bomb. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Umami Onigiri goes here, and how about hakusai to butabara no soup here? There is enough protein in the soup, so let's pass the main. Anything you like for the side dishes, but I think I want to have shiitake no fry for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh my palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!